Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Maybank account. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, open your default browser and search Maybank Login. Once you hit search, you'll find May Internet Banking. On the top of your search list, just click here. Now, as you can see, you are already redirected to the login portal. You just simply have to enter your credentials, that includes your customer ID and your access code. In case you forgot your customer ID, you can click here. And in case you want to reset access code, you can click here. If not, then just simply enter your credentials and log in. That's it for today, guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up. Comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.